Let's create the check credential function. So public function check credential. So in here we're going to pass in the username and the password, and we're going to put in try catch block as well. So PDO exception E. I'm going to return the object E to get message, and in here we need to make a new connection to the database as well. So cmd con prepare the SQL statement. So we're going to select everything from users where the username equal u and the password equal p, and don't forget to buy the parameter back to the binding variables here. So u is going to be username and cmd by param is gonna p, gonna passing the password in it. So once you've done that, you need to execute the prepare statement. So cmd execute, and now you need to return the cmd fetch column. That's a new function. So which means that you're gonna prepare the statement, right? And dividing the parameters here to the statement and execute it. And you want to return how many columns that will be returned after executing the query here. So if the user and password match to the one in the system, it's going to return more than 0. Otherwise, it's going to return 0. So we can use this information to manipulate the message to the user. So if I go back to the index.php, I'm gonna do PHP block, and I want to require once db.php, and I'm gonna create a new db class called db equal new db, and if the is set post bdn login is true, I'm gonna assign the post value into the new variable called username, and the password equal the post of the password. Okay, do some simple validation. So username true is gonna, actually I'm gonna put in error here. So error equal username is required, and else if the empty password is gonna be error equal password is required. Okay, else I'm gonna pass in the account check credential. I'm gonna pass in the username and the password. Okay, so if count greater than 0, which means the result return more than 0, we say login success, else please try again. Okay, so if I go back to this one, and if I leave the blank, it's gonna say username is required, and if I type in nonsense information, it's going to please try again. But if this time I'm going to try to type in correct username and password, it will then say login success. Okay, so now if you let's say we're not going to create a new page. I want to say welcome page of PHP, and say here, let's say welcome to admin page. Okay,